So the workshop that
You gotta hold it closer. Right up, right up.
so I love these evenings of connecting. We connect with each other and deeply with ourselves. So somebody will speak a story and it connects with us. So the workshop I'm doing is to express the house in a really great 2018 haiku style. So what that means is you have a word for the year. It's your essence energy word. And we take that word and make a haiku of it. And it's a statement that you can take with you. You look at it, you create something beautiful. When you're back at home, put it in your office, wherever you want to have that message reach you as often as possible. And so I take you through steps to create that. And then we look at the intention that you want to create for the rest of the year. Thank you so much.
And there's stuff on the table, right?
Yes. The workshop are these little flyers that I would have. And I was honored with being able to submit a story last year, and it's in this book, Warrior Women with Angel Wings. And so my chapter is in here. It's my story. I told my story a year ago, February, first time I was ever up on stage. And so I'm going to be giving one of these away to a lucky winner. That's 2 weeks from tomorrow night. So I look forward to seeing some of you there, and we will have lots of fun together. Thank you.